Can you shift from D to L while driving? Full explanation. Yes, you can generally shift from D, drive, to L, low, while driving an automatic transmission car without damaging it, as modern vehicles have computer controls that prevent the engine from over-revving or damaging the transmission. The computer will only select the gear when the vehicle's speed is slow enough for it to be safe for the engine and transmission. However, it's best to do this at a steady cruising speed and to understand that the shift activates engine braking for better control on steep downhill slopes or to slow the vehicle. The question is, what happens when you shift to L? Engine braking. Shifting to L engages a lower gear, causing the engine to rev higher, which creates a braking effect that slows the vehicle down without using the brakes. Computer protection. The vehicle's computer controls the transmission and will not allow a downshift into L if the vehicle's current speed is too high for that gear. Rev limiter. The transmission's rev limiter will prevent the engine from exceeding its safe operating range, even if you try to shift into L at a high speed. Considerations. Speed. You can safely shift to L at a steady cruising speed, but you may want to slow down slightly to activate the effect more quickly. Purpose. Use L when going downhill to maintain control and reduce brake wear, or in heavy rain or snow for more traction. Older vehicles. In older cars without computerized controls, attempting to shift from D to L at high speeds could cause serious damage to the transmission. Avoid reverse. Do not shift from any forward gear, D, 3, 2, 1, or L, into reverse, R, or park, P, while the car is moving.